I want to speak about honor because that is one of the ingredients of unity. Some Christians, they don't believe in honor, but they do believe then in dishonor. And they despise, they criticize, they mistreat their brothers and sisters. But you and I will not be like that. In Romans 12:10 it says, be devoted to one another. Devoted to one another in brotherly love. And it says, honor one another above yourselves. So we need this, what is called the culture of honor, the biblical culture of honor. It's not that we don't confront sin, it's not that we don't tell the truth, but it is all in a spirit of love and respect and trust and hope. So I'm going to encourage you to consider becoming an ambassador of peace to the Church of Jesus Christ. Because if the church unites, if the prayer networks unite, if the missionaries unite, if the denominations unite, we will take entire nations in no time. So I encourage you, servant of God, and my friends intercessors in this network, please, 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 in Jesus' name, keep up the work of unity. Some of you are doing a fantastic job, but don't give up. God bless you.